Everything has been leaked. A real in-hand look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a bigger main sensor for better photos, mind-blowing Galaxy AI features and more. So let's dive in. First of all, it looks like Samsung is playing by the rumors and keeping the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display almost totally flat. Also, it seems like the Galaxy S24 Ultra is getting an upgrade with titanium sides. Titanium not only is tougher than aluminum, but it could also make the Galaxy S24 Ultra slightly lighter, weighing at 232 grams, making it around 2 grams lighter than the Galaxy S23 Ultra, in addition to the better premium feel. While Samsung not changing the display size too, it might come with a peak brightness of 2500 nits. That's a big step up from the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 1750 nits, according to ASUS Universe. And camera-wise, it might have a bigger sensor for its main 200 megapixel camera, which means brighter and better photos. But the real talk is about the zooming capabilities. Samsung might be switching from a dual 10 megapixel 3x and 10x zoom lens to a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto and a super sharp 50 megapixel 5x zoom lens. It might seem like less zoom, and a lot of folks were doubtful about the 10x photo quality of the S24 Ultra, but he saw some sample comparisons. He said, and I quote, "I can definitely say that taking pictures at 10x zoom, S24 Ultra is better than S23 Ultra." So Samsung's new phones may not look very different, but they have cool features within what they call Galaxy AI. How cool would it be if you could talk to anyone in the world, even if you don't speak their language? That's what Live Translate can do for you. It's a feature that translates your call in both forms, voice and text, to the person on the other end of the call in real time, and they can hear you in their own language, no matter what the language is, and it's the other way around for you. Or like the browser assist, this feature lets you translate or summarize any web page in seconds. And there's a lot more we're going to see at the Unpaked event in a couple of days. So stay tuned. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and share it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.